and welcome back to Not a Watch Snob. I am your host, Bill, and today we have something exciting. You've heard of the Reason to Be. You've seen their unique style showcased all over the world. And now, I have 3 more Projects watches to showcase for you. Known for their cutting-edge design and unique style, Projects watches offers spice to your incredibly bland collection. Each watch is created and designed by a world-renowned artist and sculptors, designed to make a statement out of your wrist. The first watch we have to show you is called the Terror Time Steel. With a blend of landscape and pastoral illusions, the Terror Time is comprised of 6 layers, each representing the Earth's layers. This is more than just your everyday timepiece. It's a multi-layered, sculptured, beautiful timepiece where light and shadow add dimensions to the timekeeping experience. Designed by James Wines, who worked as a designer of more than 150 architectural projects, with clients ranging from PepsiCo to Best Products, from cities like Hiroshima and Vienna. James is constantly pushing boundaries and limits to create eye-catching and unique projects that will get you guessing, and this is no exception. Our next piece is called the Reveal. With the Reveal watch, designer Daniel Will Harris broke down the concept of time to its very basics, revealing only what's necessary. This steel timepiece puts only the current time into focus through a looking glass, blurring away what's behind you and ahead of you. The Reveal holds true to the concept that there is no time quite like the present, and this watch is sure to get attention. The creator Daniel Will Harris has been featured in MoMA, who calls his work truly unique. He has written 8 books and developed plays with the Kennedy Center Playwriting Institute, and is a man of many talents. He's worked on many movies and multiple different projects. And finally, we have my new favorite watch, Projects Watches Eau de Delaunay. This watch is honestly a mix and blend of bold colors and shapes. Representative of Robert Delaunay's Rhythm No. 1, this watch takes your attention as you stare at its endless loops of colors and shapes. This watch is made up of 3 colorful spinning discs, revealing hours, minutes, and second hands through an open hole cut into them. As they rotate, the composition of circular geometries constantly shifts, creating a mesmerizing experience for the wearer. If you would like to get your hands on one of these amazing Project watches, go ahead and check out projectwatches.com, or go ahead and check out their Instagram and the link in the description. They're all reasonably priced, anywhere from around $150 to $180, and they are something that is going to be spicing up any man's collection and turn any one of your collector items into a work of art. So go ahead and check out Project Watches. I'd like to thank Project Watches for sending in these unique timepieces. And remember, my name is Bill, I'm not a watch snob, and neither are you. Thank you so much for watching.